Hey, what's up? Welcome back to Tech-Zie. Python is a programming language. What is it? Let's get started. What is Python? Python is a popular programming language. It was created by Guido van Sam and released in 1991. It's used for web development, server-side, software development, mathematics, and system scripting. Okay, now let's see what can Python do. Python can be used on a server to create web applications. Also can be used alongside software to create workflows. Python can connect to database system. It can also read and modify files. Python can be used to handle big data and perform complex mathematics. And finally, Python can be used for rapid prototyping or for production-ready software development. Why Python? Python works on a different platforms such as Windows, Mac, Linux, Raspberry Pi, etc. Python has simple syntax similar to the English language. Python has syntax that allows developers to write programs with a few lines than other programming language. Python runs an interpret system, meaning that the code can be executed as soon as it's written. This means that the prototyping can be very quick. Finally, Python can be treated in the producer way, an object-oriented way, or a functional way. Okay, by the end of this small introduction of Python language, let's see Python syntax compared to other programming languages. Python was designed for readability and has some similarity to English language with influence from mathematics. Second, Python uses new lines to complete a command as opposite to other programming languages which often use semicolons or parentheses. Finally, Python releases an annotation using white space to define scopes such as scope of loops, functions, and classes. Other programming languages often use curly brackets for this purpose. This is the end of this video. Please guys, do me a favor by liking this video. See you in part 2.